We interrupt this broadcast for an emergency global alert. This is a global emergency, issued by civil authorities of all countries. Anomalies that resemble the robots from the popular franchise, Transformers, have been spotted luring humans to follow them. If you follow these anomalies, you will never return. The most dangerous ones include Optimus Prime, Megatron, and Starscream. There are more on the rise and our governments are doing everything to stop them. We advise you retreat to a safety bunker that has not been compromised, or stay in your home. Whatever you do, do not follow any sounds you may hear. Do not attempt to rescue your pets, or fight them yourselves. You will not survive. Stay calm, and do not follow the noises.